નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we will study the question number 11 of exercise 8.3. This is the topic of standard 8 chapter number 8 comparing quantities. So what is the question? Question is, in a laboratory the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at a rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. So here we have to calculate the bacteria after 2 hours. See, here this rate of the increment is given as a 2.5% per hour, and we have to find out the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. So whatever the formula we are using to find out the compound interest, that is we have given the interest per year, and we have to find out the amount of interest after 2 years or 3 years. So what this rate of interest and this whatever time we have to count, both are in the years, but here the bacteria that we have to count is in hours. So the same formula we can use here. See, here we have given that initially how many bacteria are there? 5,06,000. So we can consider it as a P, right? 5,06,000. This is the initially whatever the number of bacteria is. So we can consider as a P. The rate of interest R is equals to 2.5 percentage. And here the time duration, that is 2 hours. So we have to take the n is equals to 2. Right? So we have to find out the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. Right? So let us apply the formula that we already know. That is A is equals to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. See, why we are using here the plus positive sign? Because number of bacteria get increased. That is why we have to use positive sign. Let us put down all the values. We have P is equals to 5,06,000. 1 plus, this is 2.5. 2.5 we can write down as a 25 upon 10, and also 100 is there, right? So here we have to make the power, that is equals to 2. Okay, so here we get the 5,06,000. Now simplify it. We get the 25 for the 100 and 10 for the 40, right? So we get 1 plus 1 upon 40 raised to power 2. Now see, if we take the 40 as a LCM, we get the, here we have to multiply with the 40. So we get the 40 plus 1, 41 upon 40 raised to power 2. Now just give the square to both the numerator and the denominator. We get the into 41, we have to write down 2 times 41 into 41. We have to divide with 40 and 40, right? So here we can cut this 0 with this 0, this 0 with this 0. Now we can cut this 5060 with the 4. So we get the 4 ones are 4, 1 is the remainder, 10 is there, 4 twos are 8. Now 26 is there, so 6 fours are 24. Again 2 is the remainder, 0 is there, 20. 4 fives are 20. So this is the answer we are getting here. Now the division is not possible by the 4. So we have to multiply all these numbers and then divide it with the 4. So let us multiply 1265 with 41. So we are getting 0, 5 was the 20, 6 was that 24 plus 2, 26. 4 to 8 plus 9, 10, 0, 1, 4, 1, 4 plus 5 plus, we have to multiply with the 5, so we get 1, 2, 6, 5. Let us 5, 6, 8, 1, 5. Again multiply with the 41. So we are getting here 0, 5 was a 20, 2 is the carry, 6 was a 24 plus 2, 26, 2 is there, 8 was a 32 plus 2, 34. 3 is there. 4 ones are 4, 7. 5 fours are 20. Plus, again multiply with the 1, that is 51865. 51865. So this is the answer. 5, 6, 14, 1, 4, 5, 1, 6, 7 plus 5, 12, 1, 21. So this is the answer we are getting. 2126465. Now we have to divide this number with 4, right? So let us divide it. Now we are getting 5, 4, 5s are 20. 1 and 12 is getting here. So 4, 3s are 12. 0. Now let us take 6 here. We get 4, 1s are 4. 2 is the remainder. Now we have to take 4. So we are getting 4, 6 are 24. Again 0, 0 is there. We can take 6 here. 4, 1s are 4. So we are getting 2 and 5 is there. 4, 6 are 24. 1. Now we have to put decimal point. 4, 2s are 8. 20. 4, 5s are 20. So we are getting here the answer 53,161.25. Right? So we can write down the approximate answer as 531,616. That is 5,31,660. So this is the number of the bacteria we get the after 2 hours. Okay. So this is the question number 11. Now let us study the question number 12. So the question number 12 is, a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. See, here we have given that there is a scooter was bought at a rate of 42,000. So we can take it as a principal amount 42,000. Right? Now its value depreciated at a rate of 8% per annum. So rate of the interest we have given is 8%. And we have to find its value after 1 year. After 1 year, that means n is equals to 1 that we have to take. So here the value of the scooter is depreciated. Now we have to use this formula A is equals to P 1. Now we have to consider the minus sign here because the value is decreasing, right? Whatever the value of the scooter is getting decreased. So here we have to take the minus sign, right? All other things will remain as it is, r upon 100 raised to power n. So now the amount is 42,000. 1 minus rate of interest is 8. Then here is the 100. Now we have to take the n is equals to 1. Okay. Now we can cut this 8 and 100 as with the 4. We can cut it with the 4. We get the 25. 4s are 100 and 2 4s are 8. Okay. So we get here 42,000. We can take the 25 as the LCM. So in the numerator, what we are getting? 25 ones are 25 minus 2, that is 23. Now no need to write down the power because power is the 1. So we just have to multiply this 2 number and divide it with the 25. See, we can cut this 42,000 with the 25. Right? 42,000, we can cut it with the 25. At 25 ones are 25. So what is the amount we are getting here is 70. Right? Now take one of the 0 here. You can cut it with 25. 25 6 are 150. 25 6 are 150. So 1 0 we have already taken here. 20 is there. We can take one of the 0 here. 200 is there. 25 8s are 200. Now again 1 0 is remain. So we can take it as here. So we get here 1. We get 1680. Now we have to multiply it with the 23, right? So let us multiply. With 23. So what we are getting? 0, 0, 8 2s are 16, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, 2 1s are 2 plus 3 plus 0, 8 3s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 19 20, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5, 0, 4, 6, 8, 3. So this is the amount we are getting, 38,640. So if there is a scooter with the price 42,000 and its value is getting depreciated by the 8% per year, then after 1 year the value of the scooter will become 38,640. In the same way, if we have given that this rate is the same, but the year is 2, again this price get decreased, because here we have to take the power 2. So this is the formula of calculating the compound interest. But here we are using it to calculate this type of the applications, right? So this formula is useful to count the, either we have to count the population, or we have to count the number of the bacteria, or we have to count the this type of price increase and decrease. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.